Shunila Joy Chauhan, the principal of Thakur International School, IGCSE and A levels, Mumbai. So, all of us want to be confident people. Sometimes we think that maybe such and such person is born like that. But yes, some are blessed and some can get there by just taking a few tips, a few helpful tips that will make us more confident and that will make us feel happier. So, the first and foremost thing that we could do is take care of ourselves. Take care of yourself because there's just one of you. First of all, have a more positive image about yourself. Don't get dictated by what the world thinks about you. Take care of yourself, definitely dress well, be pleasant in whatever you wear. It should be pleasing. It doesn't mean that it has to cost you a whole lot of money, but definitely others, when they look at you, they should feel that you look well turned out, well groomed. Of course, that also means exercising so that you feel fit, because when you exercise, you're not only is your body fit but mentally too you are fit. And that can be any exercise of your choice, whatever makes you happy. Listen to a lot of music because that calms your mind. Along with that, you should think positive, because when you have a positive feeling coming from not looking at the worst case scenario, then you become more confident. Then only can you take a step forward and do things, because otherwise what you feel is that, oh, this will always end up badly. So don't have that negativity in your mind. Have an image of what you really want, or how you see yourself a little later. What do you really want to become? Once you see yourself in a more positive sort of an image of yourself, it will help you to attain that. I remember my coach, Mr. Navdeep. He had told me something which I really liked. I was going through this thing of feeling very stagnant at my whatever I was doing. Nothing is happening. Maybe nobody appreciates it. Maybe I'm not that good. But then he just said, take down 3 points and write down what you are grateful for or whatever you have achieved. And it started off, and I saw that once you write down what you are grateful about or what you have achieved, you actually start building your confidence. So this actually helped me to remember that yes, I could achieve this. So yeah, I can do it. Why not? And another friend of mine had told me that remember, Joy, that everyone has those same 2 eyes, 1 nose and 1 mouth. So don't worry, just go out and say these things. Speak out your mind. So all these things help me to build my confidence. And I'm sure that everyone has it in them to be very, very confident. It's just your own perception of yourself and that feeling that no, I can't make it. Yes, we all can make it. Yes, building self-confidence is what we all want to do, but sometimes it becomes difficult to focus. So start trying to change one small habit in yourself. It could be something like procrastination. We all leave things till it becomes too late, which means then late submissions, not meeting deadlines, then that feeling that we cannot cope, that we are not good enough. So all this stems from something which we have procrastinated. So it's better to break that habit and maybe set the alarm clock 10 minutes earlier, put a deadline for yourself a little before that so that everything is completed on time. And then after you can sort of stop procrastinating, the other thing is you could read a little and get yourself more informed. Now, everyone doesn't like reading books. Some feel that no, we just hate reading. I much rather go through the internet. That's perfectly fine. Do browse the internet, but for the right things. Try to see what have I learned today. It shouldn't be just only social media platform and only interacting on our WhatsApp and other things like that. Instead, try to learn something for that day. It could be just a 2-minute learn or a 2-minute quick read, which will actually build us up. Because once you have knowledge, there's competence. Once you are competent, then that means that you have actually become a more confident person. So, being confident also comes with getting yourself empowered with the right kind of knowledge. We also need to declutter our workspace or the place that we can feel more comfortable to sit, and maybe whether it's to study or to read or to just catch up for your day. Declutter that place from too much of things that are actually distracting you. So let it be a neat place, because our mind also stays focused when we see a pleasant place. All these are small steps actually taken towards building up our confidence, because a confident person is one who listens, speaks slowly, not very fast, because he knows that there's enough time to be heard and to make a difference. And at the same time, someone who knows what they're talking about. Follow people who know about a particular topic which you are interested in it, which you are interested in passionately. Because if you are following the right kind of people, they become your mentors and they help you, because they become your role models, and you are able to think more along the lines of what you actually like and what you really want to be. Have that image in your mind that I want to be like that person. Like, I'll just confess, one of my the role models that I have is Mr. Raghuram Rajan. Yes, I do always have him in my mind as someone who knows so much about the economy, the world economy, and I've always tried to follow what he has written, what he is doing, because he gave me that positive influence that helped me to actually mold myself to becoming more known about the subject which I was passionate about, which was economics, and therefore the Indian economy, the world economy. So let's all take small steps, because small steps actually lead us to something bigger, and that is building up our self-confidence. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that it adds value to whatever you do to build up your confidence. And looking forward to speaking with you all again on another topic. And in the meantime, I wish you all the best for a very, very bright future.